Welcome to the detailed review of the 2026 Hyundai Palisade, an SUV that perfectly balances luxury, practicality, and cutting-edge technology. The front exterior of the 2026 Hyundai Palisade has been reimagined to exude sophistication and strength. The bold cascading grille now features a refined, geometric mesh pattern, flanked by sleek LED headlights with a futuristic DRL signature. Moving to the rear, the 2026 Palisade adopts a modern aesthetic with a redesigned tailgate and sharper, horizontally aligned LED taillights. The tailgate integrates clean lines and subtle branding for a minimalist yet upscale look. Dual exhaust tips and a sculpted rear bumper add sporty character. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cabin of pure luxury. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade boasts an upgraded interior featuring premium Napa leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, and customizable ambient lighting. The center console has been redefined with a floating 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system and an all-digital driver display. The high-quality materials, including soft touch surfaces and wood-like trims, amplify the sense of elegance. Under the hood, the 2026 Hyundai Palisade features a 3.8-liter V6 engine with enhanced fuel efficiency and a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain delivers 291 horsepower and offers confident performance for city commutes and highway cruises alike. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade is expected to start at approximately $38,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching $53,000 for the fully loaded luxury options.